Good morning guys. Ngayong araw guys, magluluto kami ng nilupak. Then ngayon guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga gagamitin namin. Then yan guys, si John Mark kasama namin dito guys. Then guys, ito yung gagamitin namin mamaya. Ito ay lusong ang tawag sa amin guys. Then ito guys, merong kahoy dito na mahaba para pang bayo yan guys ng saging mamaya. Then dito guys, yan na. Nagpapaapoy na dito si John Mark. Yan. Kaso parang wala pang apoy guys. Then dito guys, merong saging. Nasaan na yung saging?
Ayun ang saging.
Doon para guys yung saging na gagamitin namin. Ayan o. Yan yung kuya ko guys, naghugas ng kardero para marami yung mailagay dyan sa loob ng kardero guys. Yung medyo malaki-laki. Ito yung bagong tiba na saging ni John Mark kanina guys, yan. Then anuhin natin yan guys, lalagain muna natin yan yung saging bago natin babayawin mamaya. Then yan, hintayin lang natin matapos yung kuya ko guys magugas. Then ilalagay na yan dyan yung saging mamaya. Then hihintayin natin matapos maluto. Yan na guys, nilalagay na ni kuya ko yung mga saging. Yan, isang kardero talaga guys yung isang piling na saging. Kasi guys, marami kami dito kaya kailangan marami rin na lulupakin para pasawa guys. Yan guys, tingnan si Jiron kung anong ginagawa niya. Humuhukay naman guys ng lupa para sa daanan ng tubig guys.
You okay there?
Yeah.
Sige.
Are you okay there?
Are you okay?
Then dito guys, ipakita ko sa inyo yung tanim ko guys dito. Yan. Unti-unti nang nabubuhay guys, oh. Ang dami na ng ano, dahon ng gumamela. Oh no! You squished my papaya! Ay, nako!
Is it okay?
I don't know. Oh no, it's broken. Yak!
Sorry,
Guys, yan. Nisquish ni Leon yung papaya niya nakita. You put the soil, maybe? I don't know if he's still alive. So. Oh my goodness.
Here?
Yeah. It's nearly, it's nearly okay na. But that happened, I don't know if going work or not. Oh. It's going double kill.
Don't do that now. Don't kill it twice.
Yeah, double kill na nga. Ay, nako po. Doon yan guys. Yung mga gabi ko, unti-unti nang nabubuhay guys. Marami na siyang mga anak. Yung kalamansin namin, malapit na namin to i-harvest guys. Then ito guys, hindi ko alam kung ano yung nangyari dito. Kung baboy ba yung nito or pantot. Kailangan takpan na naman guys ng lupa para maging okay. Then yan guys, oh. Yung malunggay ko, pwede na to siya makuha yung mga ganito guys, oh. Yan. Ang ganda na guys.
No, I'm okay.
Then ito pala si John Mark guys. Yan, nagdihaw ng hipon.
Hipon.
Yes. You want try?
No, thank you.
Why?
You try.
Okay, I'll try. Hold this.
Why you don't want to try?
Because they bite you.
What?
They bite. They smell good.
Ooh.
And this is for you.
John Mark is cooking hipon.
Yeah.
Hipon.
Hipon, not to be confused with afternoon. Hapon. So,
Tempura.
yeah, it looks cooked.
Yeah. Inihaw.
He barbecued it.
Yeah.
I'm sure it's lovely, like.
Then if I eat the head, that's okay.
Really?
Hindi.
No, hindi, he says.
And this side only, in the top.
Good?
Ew.
Is it syrup?
Masarap.
It's magic syrup.
Then
No.
you eat this one.
No. It's
Oh.
not good.
Not good, not bad.
It's really, really good.
It's really, really good.
Look, you still have a meat.
Anyhow, it was there.
Real. You eat your hipon.
Thank
Tempura.
My tempura hipon.
Inihaw?
By John Mark. Cooked in a nihao way. Nihao?
Inihaw.
Nihao sounds like the Chinese word for hello.
Yeah,
Nihao.
ihaw. Guys, ready na ang aming saging. Yan. And then, dito guys, yung kinuha ng aking kuya. Nyog, medyo parang buko pa siya. Then, kukod ko rin to guys. Yan yung ihalo natin sa nilupak guys. Then, dito yung lalagyan namin. Nandyan. Then, guys, yung lamisa namin, hindi pa namin binababa dito guys. Kasi nga, hindi pa sarado yung aming dirty kitchen. Kasi yung mga aso guys, pumapasok pa. Then, akit-akit sa lamisa. Kaya doon muna guys, pansamantala sa taas ng aming bahay. Yan guys, si John Mark nagpukudkud na guys ng panghalo namin guys. Yan. Panghalo namin mamaya. Yan na guys. Tatanggalan na ng balat guys yung saging. Pero medyo mainit pa guys. Yan. Ha? Tinidor? Kukutsara na lang. Wait lang. Magkuha na ako guys ng tinidor guys sa loob. Dal, you bring me pork here if you go down.
There you go.
Thank you. Yan na guys, para daw maadali daw anuhin to. Gamitin. Oh, yan na. Yan na guys, oh. Medyo mga katamtaman lang yung laki guys. Dapat tusukin mo muna bago mo tanggal ang balat. Ayan na guys. Tapos na anuhin ni John Mark ko rin. Ba't malalaki?
Walang yan.
Yung iba guys, so tingnan yung malalaki na yung ano. Kudkod ni John Mark.
Nasaan yan?
Hugasan mo na.
Daling ka doon ito.
Hugasan ni John Mark.
Ikaw nga magahugas.
Ikaw.
Ikaw na.
Ako lang magabayo.
Ngit, ni ka marunong magbayo ngit. Ikaw.
Meron na ako. Yan guys, si John Mark maghugas na ng lusong.
Kung gusto mo yan. Ayan tao. Ay ako yung video sa'yo.
Na ako lang. Yan guys, si John Mark. Ayaw niya hugasan yung lusong guys. Box ba?
Ano?
Hugasan mo doon.
Ayan ang tabo. Video na nga kita. Yan na.
Ako na lang tuloy guys yung maghugas ito guys. Ayaw ni John Mark hugasan guys. Mayati siguro sa bulan ha.
Hindi na yan.
Huwag may zoom in yung mukha ko. Grabe guys yung videographer ko na ito. Parang gusto nakazoom palagi yung mukha.
Oh, look, the water. I hope it's
Buhat
calmed
na.
down.
Yeah. Sige. Then you, what you doing there ha?
Making tea.
Sige.
Probably a fork too.
Okay. Let's go. Yan na si John Mark guys yung magbubuhat kasi medyo mabigat-bigat. Ba't yan? Ito na. Yan na guys. Si John Mark nag-start na magbayo-bayo guys. Pero yung binabayo niya daw, ano muna yan guys, balat ng saging. Then mamaya, actual ano na talaga, saging na talaga guys. Ngayon, balat muna.
Kamu naglagay ng lang daw. Ay, balat.
Magwa tayo dito guys ng balat. Uy, kainit. Yan. Ay! Madikit guys. Ito na. Nagbabayo na tayo ng ano, balat ng saging. Diyan na nga nagbayo guys. Aray! Nagatalsik man. Parang lang man ito ang ano dito eh. Nagkakasya.
Pwede bang ito siyang nakihan?
Yan guys, mag-start na tayo guys, maglupak. Ganyan lang, isa-isa lang muna. O, lagay box. Yan, ilalagay na. Dahan-dahan lang guys, kasi nga, maano na to siya. Magtatalsik yung saging. Add. Na guys. Amat-amat lang. May hibuto man to.
Dali mo na kagad.
Kabasids. Yan guys, yung nyug. Lalagyan na natin ng asukal. Para ilagay mamaya sa binayo ni John Mark. At saka ni Delon, pati ako guys. Then, i-mix-mix natin ito guys. Yan. Para ilalagay natin mamaya. Yan ang itsura niyan guys. Ganyan. Okay ako guys, nagkakain ka agad ng saging. Hindi pa na bayo guys. Yung actual saging. Video. Yan, lang kuya ko guys, videographer. And then, i-mix-mix lang natin to guys na maganda. Para i-add natin dun mamaya sa nilipak guys na saging. Yan, ganyan na itsura guys eh.
Kulang ba yan? Kulang ka na sa pan.
Kulang ba ito? Baka sobrang tamis na.
Pag nilo kapaka hindi matami.
Hindi ba sobrang tamis?
Wala.
Yan na guys. Sabi ni John Mark, baka kulang lang asukal kaya dilagdagan ko ng maraming asukal.
Hindi, kulang ka lang.
Yan guys, lalagyan natin ng sugar.
Diyan sa gitna.
Sugar at saka nyug. Wala tayong kutsara eh. Yan, tinidor ka lang guys. Sige pa.
Sige.
Sakit lang.
Sige lang. Oo,
Excited
wala
ka.
yan.
Nakapati kamay ko na pukpuk na.
Maglagay ka lang. Akong bala.
Ikaw ba?
Tama.
Yan na guys. Tingnan nyo. Ganyan na yung itsura guys ng lupak. Kailangan dahan-dahan lang guys kasi nga mawawasak na yan guys, mahuhulog. Yan. Oh, di sa gilid. Kaya ano mo? Yan guys, kukunin na natin tapos ito siya bayuhin. Ganyan na ang itsura niya. Yan, sobrang lagkit na ito guys.
You're making it into a mold.
Yeah. I don't know if working to if I put there.
It's a very big one. We've got the cupcake things as well,
Yeah.
in case you fancied that. Maybe
It's
that
okay.
would work. John Mark's still over there bashing them. There's like 20 of them still there, something like that. Oh, let's see how this turns out.
Pati,
You need oil.
Ilagyan tayo ng mantika yan.
Oh,
Wala akong margarin.
sticky.
I forgot the margarine there.
Well, that's how it can go.
Oh my god.
Wala yan, kaya mag-ano. Dikit yan.
So John Mark, it's not working because a stick.
If you get a spoon, maybe.
I need the margarine, it's okay. Because I want to make something shape. Oh, it's okay for now. Look, but have a shape like that.
Yeah, it works. Yeah. Just a spoon's okay, maybe.
Yeah.
But like it's not sticking in it or anything.
Guys, yan na yung resulta ng aming nilupak. Yan,
Read
nakikita niyo.
that.
Yummy! John Mark, anong ginagawa mo sa nilupak? Guys, tingnan nyo ang ginawa ni John Mark ko. Nilagyan ng
Toppings.
maraming margarine toppings.
For one only.
Oh my
Yeah.
goodness. Yan, guys, si Mary Joy, dumating na dito, tinawag ni Cleo. Magkain daw
Sabi
ng
niya,
nilupak.
guys. Mary Joy. Come, have a banana there. banana. Ano yan, Leo? Ano sabi mo, Cleo, sa akin? Banana.
Banana.
Sigaw. Tapos pasok pa siya dun sa loob ng kwarto. Sinisilip niya ako ganyan. Sabi niya, tara na. Sabi niya. Tinagaali, sinisilip
Yan,
niya
guys,
ako.
yung ano namin.
Kaya magkasama kami pabalik.
Managtawag
Ayos
si
talaga.
Cleo. Kumakain na ng nilupak. Then si Dalon. Yes, nakarating na kami, guys. Ito ang aming binili kanina. Mickey, cabbage and chicken, then with the bread. Then yan na, guys, ang aming binili sa drugstore.
Shampoo and that one, Joy.
Joy.
Thinking of that sort of stuff.
Jam.
And Anne was like, no, I want the mango one. I don't want blueberry or anything. And I was like, all right, fine, get the mango one then.
Then ito, guys. Mamacitas, oyster sauce. Then may prina noodles, beef. Beef na beef.
Look on your favorite.
Sige. Look at
favorite,
that.
guys.
We have Lucy.
Get out of there.
Oh my goodness.
Stay there,
Doon
love.
yan na, guys, yung iba. Coke, bar nuts,
Mickey.
sugar, then condensed, then
Sugar.
tuna. Sige. Guys, magluluto tayo ngayon ng pang dinner. Then ito, guys, sigarilyas and puso ng saging. Yan. Tingnan natin, guys, kung anong lasa kasi hindi pa ako nakatry ng karibang at saka puso ng saging, guys.
Bro, I have this t-shirt for you.
Yan, guys, oh.
It doesn't fit me.
Then ilalagay natin to, guys, ito.
It's clean.
Then
I just tried it on.
hugasan
It
ko to,
doesn't fit me.
guys. Then ito, nahugasan ko na yan.
I like
Pero
it.
nakatry ako,
but
guys, nito. Puso ng saging lang na torta. Pero ngayon tortahin natin
Yeah, you
yung
come up with
sigarilyas at saka puso ng saging.
It's like literally new. Good vibes only.
Then, guys, ito na yung puso ng saging at saka sigarilyas. Then, nilagyan ko, guys, ng sibuyas. Then, ngayon, lalagyan natin ng tasty boy. Then, ito, guys, lalagyan natin ng corned beef. Yun lang. Kaso guys, wala kaming itlog ng manok. Kaya tubig na lang ilalagay ko dyan mamaya. Uy! Hirap. Ang hirap naman ito iangat, guys. Yan. Guys, magtutorta na tayo ng sigarilyas at saka puso ng saging with corned beef. Yan, guys, oh. Tingnan natin mamaya, guys, kung anong lasa.
I have found them again, guys. Right, Anne, what's going on, love?
I need to do a torta.
Do you think it'll be okay?
Yeah, I think so. Look at that.
Cigarillas, puso and all that
Yeah.
in the same thing?
Yeah, then I add tasty boy and flour.
Already is in that?
Yeah, here.
Do you think it'll be good, Mary Joy?
Yes.
Really?
Yes,
Are you
because
sure?
it has different flavor because it has many to mix.
Get ya.
Yan guys, magtorta na tayo guys.
Bilis lang pala siya maluto. Golden brown na agad.
Lit-lit lang yung lagay ko guys kasi nga baka mahirap balik na rin mamaya. Wala kasing itlog. Yan guys, ibaliktad na natin yung torta. Uy! Ang mantika guys, nakakatakot, baka magtusok sa akin eh. Yan. Tingnan nyo guys ang anong itsura niyan. Yan na guys yung itsura ng niluluto natin ngayon. Then titikman natin mamayan guys kung ano yung lasa, kung masarap ba o hindi. Pero ang usok talaga guys, para akong maiiyak dito. Guys, ito na pala yung niluto ko na tortang sigarilyas at saka puso ng saging with corned beef. Yan na yung resulta guys. Mukhang masarap guys. Yan. Yan na guys yung ginawa kong bread with torta.